Welcome everyone. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Welcome to episode 500. This is not going to be a crazy exciting episode. I simply just wanted to put something out there to give you a little bit of appreciation. I want to say thanks to everyone. It's been really cool to, have a little bit of a voice in the space and to be able to provide some tutorials. I just did a tangent video, so that's going to be coming out either tonight or tomorrow. And yeah, I just want to reflect on kind of where we're at, where I'm at personally a little bit, and what's going to be happening going forward. So if you do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and it's time to get loose, right? So yeah, I'm going to be doing a couple videos tonight. But at the end of the day, we are May 1st of 2024, and let's take a look at the market. So Bitcoin, as you all know, the entire market has been kind of at a low point. A lot of people expecting that $100,000 Bitcoin has not happened yet. I believe it may still happen. We'll talk about that in this video. But Bitcoin, 57,000. Ethereum, let's call it 3,000. Tether, not depegging. BNB 550 USD roughly. Solana, this has been down. This is it's recovered a little bit today. So Solana is, it's probably going to be the best performing layer one in my opinion this cycle. So this thing's been, taking a bit of a hit. So I see all this as a huge opportunity. I recently picked up more Copi tokens, a lot of it through referrals. So if you guys haven't already, guys, pick up a Tangent wallet, use coupon code Moose. I think it's fun, and I do like promoting things that I do use. So I use this every day. I check out my referrals. I hold Copi now, so I did a tutorial on that. So check it out if you guys want. Let me know what you think. I also have, I have like 10 different hardware wallets, so the Moose is pretty loose here. But at the end of the day, it's really cool to be able to have like a voice in the space, right? So again, these are things that I use when I talk about the top projects I'm into. I'm not trying to pump any tokens. Like, I'm not going to be able to pump anything with the subscribers I have now. I love you all, but we're not 1 million subscribers. We're not 100,000 yet or anything. So it's going to take some time, but we will get there. That's what I'm getting at too, is we are going to be producing minimum 3 videos a week. So I know it's been 5 videos typically, but I'm going to be doing 3 just so they're better. I don't like making content to just talk for the algorithm. I want to do something that, you guys actually get something out of it. When there's a major update, I'm passionate about it. Even this video, I'm pumped. We're doing a little market update. So again, May 1st, it's about to be May 2nd. It's 11:53 p.m. But yeah, that's the main thing there. It's like, let's see what else is out there. We got Dogecoin, XRP. XRP, I don't own any. Let's see, Dogecoin. I don't think I have any Doge anymore. I used to. So Dogecoin, 12 cents. Ton overtook Cardano. Very interesting. This thing's been around, you got Telegram, etc. We're not going to deep dive into that, but it's down hefty right now. These are good buying opportunities in my eyes. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Do not sue the Moose, because he's going to fight back, right? The Moose is going to get loose. So Cardano, another awesome opportunity. And by the way, we just did a video as well on how to delegate to the Copi C pool. So this is the official SPO. That's a stake pool offering. So instead of, when you delegate your ADA to a pool, instead of earning Cardano rewards, a little bit of the new supply, you'll be earning some Copi tokens. So a lot of tokens are going to be allocated for that, and you're going to be getting a good match. So yeah, I'm not going to get into the absolute facts of what you're going to get, but it's going to be nice. Like, it's no slouch. I'm delegating on purpose. I actually picked up a little more ADA just for this wallet. I have some others, but yeah, if you guys feel free, follow Red Cape Wallet. I do own some others here. You could also just follow $Loose Moose. So I did a video on how you guys can customize your, what are these called? I forget. ADA handles, yeah. So yeah, I think right now, if I look at the macro, I told one of my friends the other day, I'm like, dude, we've bottomed, and then it went down like 5-10%. He's like, dude, don't message me anymore. I'm like, all right, because I keep buying the dips of the dips of the dips, but I really do feel like this is a mega opportunity. For myself, I'm literally getting as much as I can in terms of the low cap stuff. That's really what's going to, make Moose a millionaire. Because, I thought the Moose would be a millionaire by now. It's not even close. If anything, the Moose is becoming more homeless than becoming, someone who, I couldn't even live in a Bugatti. Like, I can't even buy a Bugatti to live in a Bugatti. I mean, I guess if I had one, I wouldn't live in a Bugatti. But basically, the Moose is closer to being homeless than he is to being a Moosenaire. So we got to fix that. The Moose has 99 problems, but a dip ain't one. Let's just say that. So the Moose been buying the dips. So comment down below, what are the assets that you're buying? It could even be NFTs. So some of you probably noticed that, the NFTs are looking sweet as well. So let's go over something else. OpenSea. The full send Metacard. I did a video on that if you guys want to check it out. This thing's at 0.25 ETH. So climbing back, I did pay 0.4 ETH to get mine. So, do the math on that. It wasn't very smooth. But that's all right. These are the Board Jerky potential equity NFT. So I did an entire video on the channel. So if I go here, guys, go to Crypto Moose. This is a library. So again, we're at episode 500, which is dope, right? Like, guys, like episode 500, pretty sweet. This channel started, I believe it was like 2 years ago. So it's been like, at least almost a video a day, at least almost. Anyways, go here, go to videos, or just type in Metacard, but it's the video only has like 100 views, if that. So type in Metacard. If you guys want to get my thoughts and opinions, I did a video like 9 months ago, 6 months ago. This thing could do well. So Board Jerky is the first official, product for this that's attached to this NFT. So there's a lot of potential there. And I believe in the Full Send team, John Shahidi and those guys. So that's basically it. I mean, in terms of Solana, the ecosystem, I've been watching it. Some projects are going up. HNT's doing all right. What else? What is this? Gary Network. I don't even know what that is. All in all, I mean, I guess we could look at Copi. We should look at Copi and Meld because I only talk about them every other episode. Copi's down right now. Another great buying opportunity. I just bought some. I can only get so much. Okay. But yeah, Copi's down quite a bit. It's down quite a bit. But is this the bottom? I don't know. We could still be here for another month, which I would like, right? It's a good buying opportunity. This is the best AAA level game. Since I've been talking about cornucopias at a penny, this thing is now on multiple chains. So you even have contracts here for, what else do we have contracts for? Beast, Cardano, BNB, ETH. So it's on 4 chains. It's on a couple of major, like I wouldn't say major dexes, but it's on a couple of big dexes. And once we get on a major dex, this market cap is going to go through the roof. The file nodes are coming out. I could go on and on and on and on and on about this. I also have another interview coming out shortly, but I'm not going to spill the beans on that. Phone's going off here. Let's see. Meld, man. So cheap. This thing is set to go, though. I mean, it looks awful, but really, after the ISPO, the token just dumped. So that's going to happen. So if Dega comes out hot, the Moose might sell some tokens really swift and then get back in. Who knows? Just being authentic, just being honest with you guys. So 3 cents. Yeah, this thing's just been hovering. Meld's looking good. Let's pop up some Meld here. Let's see what I even have. This Meld wallet that I share with you guys. By the way, this is Meld.com. This is your lending and DeFi protocol. It's a layer 1 supporting the top 6 leading blockchains. This thing's going to be an absolute animal. Bring in RWAs on chain, low gas fees. This thing's a beast. So this is my non-custodial wallet. So you can have a non-custodial wallet. They have an app. You know, this just in terms of viewing your portfolio is cool. Let's see what I have. So I guess I'm just going to keep my small hot wallet connected, but I am staking some. So I've got, how many tokens roughly? I wish it would just show me my tokens. I mean, pretty cool. Almost 4K in this. So if you guys want, get into the Dega 1 ISPO. Guys, go to the link tree as well. If you guys want, you can, if you want to, you can use this link. This is not an affiliate link, but it'll get you there pretty quick. And Dega, you can pick up your Dega Realms NFT. I do want to win that. I want to be on the top of the leaderboard. So with Meld, you can stake. The pools close quickly. I will be doing more videos when they do become available, just so you guys know. I've earned $30 worth, so pretty cool though if you look at it. So my liquidity, it looks like my 485. Probably this one of these. Here you go. I'm earning 5% on 62,000 Meld, so I've earned roughly 2,000 Meld just by delegating for free. So not bad. So top yielding tokens, 20%. Basically, if you do a 1 year, if you get in when it's open, you can get like 10% on your Meld. There's also going to be the Meld airdrop. I've done videos explaining that. Guys, comment down below whatever questions you have. I don't care. It could even be political. I don't care. I'm Canadian, so you guys can make fun of Justin Trudeau or whatever you want. I'm not going to turn this channel, and I mean, frick, I could probably get canceled just for saying anything bad about him out here. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, the Moose is a complete libertarian / Moose. I don't even know. I'd have to make up my own party to explain what the Moose actually believes in. So the Moose believes in the blockchain. The Moose believes in Copi and Meld and all the beautiful projects. So yeah, the Moose is not part of any cult. He is not a Scientologist. If anything, the Moose should start his own church. So I think that would be a lot of fun. So yeah, we're just going to keep this light, keep it simple. Hopefully the Moose didn't say too much today. Guys, honestly, check out the link tree. Copi links. If you guys do want to pick up a file node, if you want to pick up any Copi thing, use this referral link. So it's going to help support the channel. This channel's making like $100 a month. I'm not going to lie. I think I checked out the math. I was like, dude, I'm getting paid on YouTube, and it was like $120. And I'm like, okay, it's been like 2 years. So, that's pretty bad. But at the end of the day, I did want to mention that I'm going to be continuing to make videos. We're going to be doing interviews, things that I like, that I care about. The biggest milestone is that I've lost 100 pounds. Not since starting the channel, but I started that before. So that was cool. I was 321 pounds in 2021. And I think I weighed in at like 230 the other day. So I was over 320. I just didn't really even have the courage at the time to weigh myself. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a video on that, kind of the importance of being healthy. And if you guys do want some tips, I can share with you. So if you are struggling with weight, I think it's important. Just finding alternatives, right? So no calories, no problem. I smoke cigars, right? No calories, no problem. So also, I mean, the chicks have been loving Moose a little bit more, so if that's your thing. Yeah, I've noticed a lot of benefits. So it helps you in a lot of different avenues of life. So not just really confidence, but I would say, especially now, I believe that if you can live, if you're going to be alive 10, 20 years from now, we may see bigger breakthroughs in medicine and technology where we could extend life. So I'm not going to go all Brian Johnson on you guys, but it is true. Like, make sure you're healthy, right? So rule number 1, survive. Rule number 2 of life is to pick up Copi, pick up Meld, right? Subscribe to Crypto Moose is number 3. So anyways, I just want to say thank you, everybody. I really was exhausted, didn't want to put out a video, but I'm happy I did. It's episode 500. And comment down below what are the next 5 videos the Moose should do. Cheers.